this is M12, finally back with another video. Today I've got something a little bit different. A while ago I asked on Twitter whether people would want to see a video with all of my sound effects I use for making my videos. And then I've sort of put them together and then you can just download them and use them for your own videos. I definitely want to say that none of these are my sound effects, obviously. I just use them for my videos and I thought maybe people would want to, use them as well. It's just something helpful to you guys, I guess. And I'll put a download link for all the sound effects I use. Like, after this commentary here, I'll put all the sound effects I use into a small little video, and then I'll upload that video to Mediafire, and then you can just download it there. So yeah, just go ahead, download them if you want. I know this isn't really my usual video, but I just thought I'd try something else for a change, and give you guys something I use, I guess. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed, I guess, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Download link will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, what happened?
Denied. Nope.
You suck!
Everybody put your hands in the air. Get over here!
Toasty! Ha! Gay!
Quad!
Say what?
Monster kill.
To infinity and beyond!
I got a bad feeling about this.
Dragonborn.